If you're looking for a dream home, look no further than this custom Birchwood floor plan. With over 3,300 square feet, this home has it all, including soaring ceilings, custom hardwood flooring, and a spacious open-concept floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. This dream home comes complete with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, a Texas-sized front door, and our signature fireplace. You'll love the large living and dining areas loaded throughout this home. The spacious family room opens right into the designer kitchen. And the kitchen comes well-equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, designer fixtures, custom cabinets, a walk-in butler's pantry, and a large chef's island. The owner's suite features a spacious master bedroom with private sitting area and a huge walk-in closet. The master bath was designed with relaxation in mind and includes dual vanities with custom tile and fixtures, a deep garden tub, and a separate standalone oversized shower. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious secondary bedrooms and adjacent bathrooms. And if you enjoy recreation, look no further than the large game room and optional media room for hours of entertainment. You'll enjoy spending time with the family out back under the spacious covered patio, too. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out about building the Birchwood floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.